Hey guys, my name is Mark Hall and I'm here to share something incredible with you. I have always been fascinated by the power of plants to maintain our health. And after a lot of research, I created a simple but powerful formula to take care of the health of our teeth. This is the Dentitox Pro formula, a masterpiece that I developed to keep your teeth strong and your breath fresh, using only natural ingredients. I guarantee that each ingredient is carefully selected, mixed in the perfect proportion, and processed under the strictest quality standards. And the best of all? Dentitox Pro is manufactured here in the USA in an FDA-approved and GMP-certified facility. A safe and reliable product. So, if you want to maintain your perfect smile in a simple and natural way, try Dentitox Pro. For just $69, you can access 30 days of quality dental care. And don't worry about delivery as we offer free shipping. Just click the link below to place your order right now. Take advantage of this unique opportunity to take care of the health of your teeth. Try Dentitox Pro today with our 60-day money-back guarantee. Don't waste time, place your order now.